A major tax battle between payment switch company Kenswitch and the Kenya Revenue Authority has ended in favour of the company. The Tax Appeals Tribunal ruled that Kenswitch, along with other payment firms, is exempt from 16% VAT, keeping digital payments affordable for consumers and small businesses. KRA, however, maintains that these companies are taxable and plans to appeal, a move that could affect everyday money transfers across the country. Here's NTV's Sylvia Kathoni with the details.
KRA's original argument was that Kenswitch is not a financial institution and therefore cannot offer financial services. They also classified it as an ICT service provider, which under the VAT Act is not exempt from tax. Simply put, KRA said the services should have been taxable unless specifically exempt. Switch firms are the companies that make your M-Pesa to bank or bank-to-bank transfers possible. KRA sought to charge them 16% VAT, arguing that under the VAT Act, these services are taxable.
If you are paying 20 shillings for services, now within that 20 shillings is a whole number of service providers who are paid in between. Now each one of those will have been required to add an additional 16%. So that just makes payments more expensive. Digital payments.
Anytime you sent any amount digitally, remember this, the players in that chain could have added an extra cost if this VAT applied. Economist Johnson Derry says the tribunal's decision will affect the cost of digital payments, which could influence how easily Kenyans use cashless systems.
So if you start charging each and every one of them VAT, there's a likelihood of going back, reversing back gains from digital payments. And I think that's what they're trying to safeguard.
The Economist believes the ruling aligns with the government's effort to make payments cheaper and fully digital. Following the tribunal's ruling, KRA has indicated it will appeal to the High Court. The authority says payment switch companies remain taxable under the VAT Act, which provides exemptions only for specific financial transactions, not general IT or connectivity services. With VAT exemption now upheld for switch firms, digital transactions, which range from buying groceries from your local farmer to paying school fees, remain affordable. A win for Kenyans and small businesses. Sylvia Kathoni, NTV Business, Nairobi.
Stakeholders across Africa's finance